Hello and welcome to the Maduabum Law Firm LLC YouTube channel, where we break down immigration law and help you understand your legal rights in the United States. Today we're talking about an important question: what makes a strong asylum case? Asylum is a form of protection available to individuals who are already in the United States or are arriving at a port of entry and fear returning to their home country due to persecution. But not every difficult situation qualifies. For your asylum claim to be successful, it must meet very specific legal standards. A strong asylum case must show that the persecution you fear is based on at least one of 5 protected grounds: race, religion, nationality, membership in a particular social group, PSG, and political opinion. If your fear of harm isn't connected to one of these, your claim may not meet the legal threshold for asylum. Now, what does persecution actually mean in this context? It's not just discrimination or hardship, it must be serious harm. Examples include physical violence or threats, imprisonment or torture, forced marriage or female genital mutilation, denial of education or basic human rights, death threats or targeted harassment by government or groups the government cannot control. If you've already experienced this kind of harm in your home country, and it was because of one of the 5 protected grounds, that's strong evidence. The US government recognizes past persecution as a strong indicator that you'll face danger again. You'll need to support your claim with medical records, police reports, personal affidavits, news articles or country condition reports, and witness statements. Even without every document, a well-prepared and credible personal testimony can still win your case. You must be truthful, consistent, and detailed in your account, from the initial application to your asylum interview or court hearing. Small contradictions can hurt your case. That's why working with an experienced immigration attorney is essential. You don't have to wait until you're harmed to apply. If you can show that you have a well-founded fear of future persecution, based on credible threats, government policies, or targeting of people like you, that can form the basis of a strong asylum claim. One area that often needs expert handling is membership in a particular social group. This can include victims of domestic violence in countries that don't protect them, people who resist gang recruitment, certain family-based claims, former law enforcement or whistleblowers. These are complex, but with the right legal framing, they can succeed. Now let's talk about what can weaken your asylum case. These include missing your 1-year filing deadline without valid excuse, criminal convictions, inconsistent or vague testimony, general fear of violence that isn't targeted or based on one of the protected grounds, fraud or false statements. Winning asylum isn't just about having a heartbreaking story. It's about presenting your claim properly under the law. That's where Maduabum Law Firm LLC can help. We work closely with clients to build compelling, well-documented asylum applications. We guide you through interviews, court hearings, and appeals if needed. If you or someone you love is considering an asylum claim, don't wait. Contact us today for a consultation. Your safety matters, and we're here to fight for your right to protection. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.